Susie?
Yes.
Am I here? You okay?
Yes.
Good. Excited to be here. Just really fired up. Most exciting times in our life right now. This is historic. This is incredible. I can't say how much I love this company, how much I love working with Susie and Mamie. Susie and Mamie gave me a phone call basically last September, and they said that this device does this, and this times 1,000. And I said, that's too good to be true. I was going to hang up the phone. But again, you listen to people that you respect a lot. And Susie and Mamie and I have been in business for over 5 years in a different company. So respecting them the way I do and understanding how intelligent and smart and motivated they are, I really had to do some research. I researched this product for at least 3 weeks. And literally, I just jumped in full blast. I bought 35 of these products. I'm going to show you each one of them to the tune of probably $20,000-$30,000 because I can. Not everybody can do that, but I did it because I can. But the last thing I wanted to do was to actually spread it around the world to other people because I was burned out about recruiting and doing this and doing this and doing this and doing this and doing this. And so basically what happened was I started using it on myself. So, being an oral surgeon, physician, and a golfer, we all have back pain, we have knee pain, we got arthritis, we got all these pains going on. And I thought I knew everything about treating the pain in my back and arthritis. I used to play 18 holes of golf 6 days a week. I couldn't play any golf anymore. Last year, I was very hobbled, and I urgently played 9 holes, maybe 15, 20 times. I had somebody special that would help me play golf, put the ball in the tee, pick the ball of the hole, so on and so forth. But I started using this device back in October, and all of a sudden, some of my discomfort went away over time. It doesn't happen right away with people that have severe arthritis, but if you use it over time, you're going to see magic occur. So basically, back in February, I really took this thing seriously. Long story short, I'm not going to go into that. My brother died. I said, I got to live longer. I go up to my room at Marco Hilton Hotel, and I started wanding myself 30 minutes and drinking tons of charged water. The wand is special. I started using that every single day since February. I've lost over 60 pounds. I can play 18 holes of golf now. I can go to work 5 days a week. I've opened up 3 different divisions in my practice, including oral surgery, cosmetics, and pain management. And now I got a 4th business called Prife International, which happens to be the most important business I have today. So I'm going to tell you why. So this is a product, and I'm going to say it is a top Ferrari, Lamborghini, Elon Musk rocket ship in the history of health, period. So to give this respect to this product, it's very, very simple. This is what we call an Itera TeraHertz frequency wand. It's a wand. And initially, when I heard about the wand, I said, no, I don't want to use this magic wand thing. But guess what? It is a wand. And there's basically 3 of them. We have one here. This is the Pro. This is like the top Ferrari of these wands, okay? This is 50% more powerful than the lesser ones, okay? The Premium looks like this, and this is a little bit less expensive. The Pro costs $3,800. This is $1,140. It's sleeker. It's easy to use, but it doesn't have as many buttons, many different nuances as the Pro does. The Classic, which has gotten most of the testimonials on social media, is this red one. This is our classic red blower wand, and you can see it's made by Prife International. Now, as Mamie says, there's fake ones out there. You go to whatever, and spend $149 for a fake one. Now, how do I know there's fake ones? Because I got 10 people on my team, some in Minnesota, that said, I'm using this one, it's working, and they got in, they got the real one. Guess what happened? It was like magic. They threw the fake ones away. So understand there's fake ones out there, right? There's also other frequency devices out there, and this puts those frequency devices on steroids. So how does this whole thing work? You drink charged water, and you wand yourself. Now, the TeraHertz frequency actually gets into hydrated cells and other substrates, and it causes a decreased inflammation, increased circulation. It gets rid of bad cells, builds new cells. And guess what happened to me over time? More clarity, more focus, more energy, decreased discomfort, decreased weight loss, thicker hair, and better skin. Now, last night, I'm at my club. And everybody's saying to me, man, we love your thick hair, but color it. So people were saying, maybe I should get blonde hair. Well, the TeraHertz frequency is not going to make my hair blonde, so maybe I'll get it colored, maybe I won't. But what it does to other people, there was a gentleman in Lincoln, Nebraska. I went out there May 9th, 10th, 11th. This guy showed me a picture of himself 3 months before I met him in Lincoln, 3 months before his hair was white. When I saw him, it's salt and pepper, and he kept using it and became more black, including his hair and his mustache. So this one does everything. So if people ask me out my office, does it do this? Does it do this? Does it do this? I say to Mary, I say to Tom, I say to Susie, I take their hand. I promise you within 30 minutes, I'm going to decrease your discomfort. I'm going to make you feel better. I'm going to raise your energy. I'm going to get rid of your whatever tremors. And I'm going to do this and do this and do this and do this. I promise you, 450 patients that Tim Dillon and I, and this week, Mamie, now we did 450 patients over the last maybe 4 or 5 months. Mamie comes in on Monday, and every minute of the day, we are wanding. So in a wand room, it's like crazy. I mean, this is the most unbelievable thing I've ever seen in my life. And there's so many other things to talk about in terms of this device. You know, it recharges. Listen, every cell is a battery, right? Do we have dead batteries? Yes. Do we have live batteries? Yes. Do we have batteries half dead, half alive? Right. It'll take a battery and recharge it. It'll get rid of the dead batteries through detox. How would you like to detox? How would you like to use this thing on your under armpits and your groin and detox? Guess what? We all need to detox, period. Because we all eat and drink bad stuff. And we all take bad prescription drugs. And we all take bad this and bad that. How would you like to get that out of your body within a day or two? A day or two, okay? In addition to the other things we do. Let me just read my notes so I don't forget anything. And I'm going to bring up the testimonials pretty soon. But an hour of therapy using this device increases acupuncture by 10 times. Increases cupping by 20 times, increases massage by 40 times. How would you like to have a massage therapist come to your house and use this wand on you and not even touch you with their hands and just wand you up and down your back, up and down your front? It can be done through clothes, paper, and glass. And the greatest thing about this, it's simple, it's effective, and anybody can use it. And here you have some doctor on the call by the name of Dr. Joe, that's me. And you think, well, Dr. Joe's an advantage because I have no advantage. All I do is teach people how to use it. A patient comes in, they experience something in 30 to 45 minutes. They walk out the door with a wand and they go home and use themselves. I used to charge $350 a visit to use laser therapy on people. $350. The wand costs what? $380. I say to Mary, look, I'm charging like $125. It might be 2-3 treatments. Mary says, how much that wand? I go, $380. She says, I want one right away. Think about that. They want one right away. Now, how would you like to market something that gives you a like 99.9999% of people using it a wow? How many vitamins, potions, minerals, products, skincare products, frequency products, all this stuff, you can't get a wow from them. So you put skin cream on your face, you don't get a wow. You put stuff in here, you don't get a wow. You put patch on your body, you don't get a wow. Use this device called the Beamer, you don't get a wow. Use something else called the Healer, you don't get a wow. You get a wow from this in 30 to 45 minutes, period. So listen, I'm done with my part of the presentation. Obviously, I'm excited. And by the way, every day I get more excited. Every day I work this thing harder in the cracks of my schedule. I do not do this full time. I got other stuff going on. Yes or no? I do. So with further ado, what I'd like to do is find my guest list. I have it organized here, so just hang in there one sec. Okay. So we have some testimonials coming up. Okay. The first one is going to be Dr. Albert Masucci. Now, Dr. Masucci worked for me for 6 years. He's a board